Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. There are several easy ways to seamlessly and automatically route calls with Ringba to maximize your marketing campaigns. Let's jump right in. Geographic routing simply means routing phone calls based on the geographic location of the caller. It doesn't necessarily matter where the call center is located. For example, the call center could be located in Texas, but is licensed to do mortgages in Massachusetts. So, again, it doesn't necessarily matter where the call center is. What matters in campaigns that are geo-routed is where the caller is calling from. Demographic routing can apply to anything. It can be rich people, poor people. It can be people that work in different job types. It could be people of different age groups or people who like different things. Demographics can be a really wide assortment of qualification criteria. Understand how to route by demographic information and figure out which buyers are willing to pay more for certain demographics. IVRs can be used to do a lot of really cool things. Ringba has some incredible IVR features built into their drag and drop interface. You can create an extremely complicated IVR in just a matter of a few seconds with Ringba. If you want to take your campaign overseas, or you really want to make these things happen fast without going out and doing a bunch of professional recordings, which take time, Ringba's system is super flexible and allows you to do just that. With Ringba, you can also automatically dial the selections in your buyer's IVR, so the users won't hear them. Then what happens is they come in, they listen to your IVR, and then let's say they press 1 because, they have more than $10,000 in credit card debt. Well, Ringba automatically connects the call to buyer 1, automatically makes the IVR selections that you tell it to, and then the consumer is connected without that IVR giving you the higher conversion rate because the consumer didn't have to go through multiple IVR trees. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the premier call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.